myself Vidya. I'm from Namakkal. I did my graduations in UG and PG with specialized mathematics in Pavai Arts and Science College in passed out year 2019. I have joined Evision in 3rd October online job internship. I got a job in HCL 3L offer in my hand. In Evision, I have learned more think CCNA, virtualization, cybersecurity, ITIL, etc. Uh, I have learned thoroughly. Experts explained in domain and they are cover full topic and practicals. I complete the online job internship. I got a job in good company with good package. Thanks to Evision.